Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of a different episode here. I'll make it real quick. So if you read the subtitle, basically I am no longer selling Amsoil. Amsoil was my first business experience for I think over 7 years is what I've sold Amsoil from. And if you go all the way back to my very first YouTube video, it was me selling Amsoil. And what has happened is I just have too much going on. I lost my interest in Amsoil and customer relations and trying to make the sale. And it's kind of sad because all my videos up until this video, I've got Amsoil links on all my videos that help me get paid by Amsoil every month. And I've gotten to the point where I just can't do it. What had happened was with this whole YouTube channel, basically when my house fell apart, my whole life fell apart 3 years ago. The one thing, if you're in business, from my perspective, is you better have your house in order if you're going to be doing any business. It doesn't matter what you're doing. You can't be divided, and basically you better have your shit together. You can't, the biggest cause of divorces are money problems and house remodels or housing problems. Now, I'm not married or anything, but I just can't do the Amsoil anymore. I went through, and you have to sign a dealer agreement with Amsoil every year, and I actually read it this year. And after I read through it, I said, I can't sell Amsoil and try to do my own product line. So what I want to talk about now is, well, basically what I want to do is thank everybody that supported me through the Amsoil links. I am very grateful that you've supported me. That money helped me get through a lot of problems. It helped me remodel this whole garage. It helped me buy all the toolboxes, and it got me on YouTube. Well, actually, my dad dying got me on YouTube. But Amsoil is a fantastic company. They gave me an opportunity to make money. I just lost interest. So the next thing that I wanted to do is, after working on this Outlaw, this Polaris Outlaw, was that I wanted, after I had to custom make parts, I said I've had enough of this, and I went ahead and went through the whole process and got my own hoses made for the radiator setup after I had to mangle another company's radiators hoses. And I said, I've always wanted to get into the parts market. My past is it's real easy for buying and selling. I've always been like a barterer. So for me to move forward on the aspect of selling parts, I kind of have to be done with Amsoil. And it's a bittersweet thing. I've taken what I've learned from Amsoil and I've pushed the business aspect, not just sales, but I mean paperwork, taxes, tax write-offs, buying and selling inventory, invoicing, and all that stuff. So basically, I'm shooting for, it's January 2024, I'm shooting for, in the month of March, to hopefully get all my hoses ready to go. And I'm not for sure I'm going to sell radiators. I talked to my insurance guy. The radiator thing is a little iffy with major parts for a motor, and I'm not for sure I'm going to sell the radiators. I've got a ton of radiators, and I've got a ton of hoses, and I've been waiting for the right time to put the hoses and the radiators up for sale, and that time has come. So basically, I have a website. I've been under attack. My website's not even operating, and I've been under attack. They've infected my website 3 different times. So yeah, I've decided I'm going to probably use Etsy. I've been on the phone with them 3 or 4 times, and my hoses will be for sale on Etsy. Handmade radiator hose kits. Etsy, I think, is the place to go. So I'll keep you posted, but this video is pretty short, and yeah, I'm out of here.